What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, per usual, man, let's get right into it. I was able to hit these joints on the shock drop. Y'all seen the title, thumbnail, all that good stuff. Got a Nike Dunk here, man, regular box. Tag on this joint reads, women's Nike Dunk Low, premium, white, and midnight navy. She's an 8.5 women, size 7 men. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. Now, here we have the Nike Dunk Low in the vintage navy colorway. And right off the rip, man, I like this joint a lot. And I wish it came out in my size, but it didn't. Let's hop into the details on this joint. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, that toe cap is laced in like a navy patent, crack patent type of material, man. Really shiny material going all the way across the toe cap, across the eye stays on their swoosh, and going across the back of the shoe as well. The toe cap is laced in the smooth white grain leather, man. Has the vintage white laces on there, pure white tongue with the white tongue tag and the navy hits. Getting to the side of the shoe, man, it has the white smooth leather going across the side panel. And as I mentioned earlier, it does have that navy patent style swoosh on there with the shiny material. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, it does have the navy hits going across the bottom of the back, white in the middle, and it has the navy on the back heel tab with the white Nike embroidered in. Getting to the inside of the shoe, just the same as the outside, man. White and navy hits all the way around with that shiny, shiny, shiny material. And like I mentioned earlier, there is kind of a cracked patent looking material just going with the vintage theme, matching those vintage laces and also matching that vintage midsole, man. Vintage aged white midsole going all the way around, and it has the pure navy, midnight navy going across the outsole, man. Simple dunk, my favorite style of dunk. If you watched any of my videos before, man, I love just the simple two-tone colorway, panda style color blocking. This one is a good one, man. This is a women's shoe. It didn't come out in big men's sizes, man, but if it did, I definitely would rock these joints for sure. This will be a good one, man. This one goes right along my back to school series. I know school kind of already started for most people, but this is a good one, man. White and navy, has the vintage look, vintage on the midsole, has the sail laces going in there as well. Those two hits will probably make the shoe last a little longer with the already aged look, especially for your young kids that's gonna like beat their shoes up anyway. This one will be a good back to school shoe for them, bro, but I wish they came in my size. It'll be an everyday rock for me, for sure. Now on the insole, man, it's laced in a navy insole and a navy sock liner, and it has the white Nike pressed on, man. Pretty dope shoe, bro. I like the vintage series. My favorite would be the vintage green for sure. The vintage red was okay. I like these joints. I like the vintage panda looking joints for sure. But it's a cool series, man. It's a cool like line of Nike Dunks that they're doing, man. I don't really have a problem with it at all, bro. But this navy one is cool. I like the green a lot. I like the black a lot. And it's solid, man. Just something slightly different. I know Dunks are kind of getting very, very, very repetitive at this point, but I think this one will be a good one. I think these joints will probably sell out for sure, man. It's a neutral shoe, just white and navy, man. Has the vintage hits, and I think it's a good looking one, man. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left, man. It has the white on the toe cap, has that navy cracked patent looking material going all the way around the shoe as well. Vintage on the midsole, pure white on that side panel. Has the vintage going around on the swoosh and all the way on the back of the shoe. Same heel tab with the navy heel tab and the white Nike stitched in, man. It's just the same as the left shoe, man. White navy all the way across with the vintage hits. And I think this is a good one, man. I think this is a good one. Now, one thing I do notice about these joints, man, they do have like a slightly different sock line pattern than regular Dunks usually have. But that's like the real only difference about this shoe other than a regular Dunk. And outside of the like the patent looking material, the sock line is just a slightly different like texture material. And here's a regular Dunk sock liner just to compare, man. You see it has like the mesh look right there. This one has kind of like a corduroy style look, but not quite corduroy, bro. So that's one difference that I can see on this shoe as compared to a regular Nike Dunk, but definitely decent, definitely a decent shoe overall. Now, like I mentioned earlier, man, I was able to grab these joints off the Nike shock drop. I believe it was last week, maybe like Thursday or Friday. They came in yesterday, so pretty decent shipping, I would say. Nike shipped these joints with USPS this time, so definitely took a little longer, hit a couple of delays, but they got here safe and sound. That's all you can ask for when you're dealing with shipping and all of these mishaps these days. But we got them in. Pricing on these joints was 120 bucks plus tax. That's like 129, 130 in Texas out the door. And that's retail, man. As far as resale, you can get them for like around retail price on the resale market, man. Resale prices are going for like around 120 to 150 in the bigger sizes. So definitely an affordable shoe. Definitely perfect for back to school if you don't want to spend a bunch of money on the shoe that your kids are gonna mess up a lot. And if your kid's school is a white Navy school, I don't see why you wouldn't want to grab this shoe. It's a nice looking shoe. Decent materials, man. It did have that premium tag on it. That's why the Dunk was 120 bucks, but I can't say that it's just premium soft leather as far as the white leather, but I would say the premium came in where they used the patent looking material, and I can give them the nod where they use some kind of premium material. I wouldn't say it's just super premium, not justifying Nike raising their prices on Dunks, but understandable. At least they did something different from a regular Dunk when they threw the premium tag on. So between the patent material, man, the cell laces, and the vintage style outsole, man, I can justify these joints being 120. Still not expensive, still more than they usually were, but a decent price, man. Not really mad at it. Now, as far as quality control and just quality overall on this shoe, man, it's a decent shoe for sure. I don't see any crazy flaws or anything like that. No stitching errors or no crazy glue stains or anything like that, man. You can kind of see where the glue meets the midsole and the bonding of the upper of the shoe. But other than that, man, no crazy flaws. You do get like your slight wrinkles on the toe that you get on pretty much all of your Dunks. But other than that, man, solid QC. And as I mentioned before, as far as quality, man, they did up it a little bit with the patent material, with the cell laces, but it's still a Dunk, man. These joints still aren't gonna last forever like some of the other shoes that you'll be able to buy in today's market, but a decent shoe for sure, man. Don't get me wrong, I'm not knocking this shoe at all. If it came in my size, it'll be a no-brainer for me. If your lady can fit these joints, if your kids can fit these shoes, man, it's an automatic cop, bro. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review and a good look at these Nike Dunk Low in the vintage navy colorway, man. I like these joints a lot, man. A lot better than a bunch of the Dunks that just been throwing out lately. This is one of the better ones for sure. Like I said, it was a shock drop, so you will have a second chance to purchase at all of your local retailers, and I'm pretty sure Nike will drop them joints again since it was a shock drop. But other than that, man, decent shoe. Leave a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints, bro. Are you copping, dropping, dripping, flipping, skipping? Man, just let me know how you feeling about these, bro. Are you over the Dunks? Do you like the vintage look? Do you like the cell laces on these joints? Do you like the aged midsole, man? Just leave a comment down below. Give me your honest opinion, man. Just let me know how you guys are feeling. But like I said, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this one, man. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike Dunk Low in the vintage navy colorway, man. Peace.